Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. In order to achieve excellence in both technical skill and human engineering, Irfan offered this course. Introduction to Python. It is lecture 2, Install Python in Windows, and I am your instructor, Samavi Salman. Let's start with the lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, I will present a quick recap of the previous lecture. After that, I will present steps of installing Python in Windows. Let's start with the quick recap. In the previous lecture, I presented number 1, search and access official website of Python. Number 2, download latest version of Python. Number 3, verify download of Python setup file. Inshallah, in the next slides, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to install the latest version of Python in Windows operating system. The system and software specifications to install latest version of Python in Windows operating system are as follows. Number 1, operating system, that will be Windows 8.1 Pro. Number 2, software, that will be Python. Number 3, Python version. The latest version of Python is 3.10.5. And number 4, the download date, that is today, 8 June 2022. Inshallah, I will follow following 3 steps to install Python 3.10.5 in Windows using systematic thinking approach. The first step will be locate Python 3.10.5 setup file. Step 2, run the installation wizard. Step 3, verify the installation of Python 3.10. In the previous lecture, that is lecture 1, download Python for Windows, I downloaded and saved the Python 3.10.5 setup file in the downloads folder. Therefore, to access the setup file, double-click on File Explorer in the taskbar. Let me maximize the window. On the left side of the screen, you can see the downloads folder. Click on the downloads folder to open it. Here is the Python 3.10.5 setup file. Alhamdulillah, I have successfully located the Python setup file. Let's move to step 2. Inshallah, in this step, I will run the installation wizard to install Python 3.10.5 in Windows 8. Let's move back to the downloads folder. Right-click on the Python setup file and select Run as Administrator. Here we are on the first screen of the installation wizard. Click on the checkbox. Click on Install. Let's wait for the installation. Alhamdulillah, the installation process is successfully completed. Verify the installation of Python 3.10.5. To complete this process, let me click on the Start button here and search for Python. Here you can see Python 3.10 64-bit has been installed. If I click on this, here you can see the Python's CMD has been successfully opened. Let's move on to the lecture summary. In this lecture, I have presented locate Python 3.10.5 setup file. Number 2, run the installation wizard. Number 3, verify the installation of Python 3.10.5. In the next lecture, Inshallah, in the next lecture, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to download Python for Linux. Abdullah bin Masud narrated that Allah's Messenger, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The person closest to me on the day of judgment is the one who sent the most salat, that is, Durood Sharif, upon me. Allah give us tawfiq to abundantly recite Durood Sharif on our beloved Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam, both in this world and hereafter. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.